G'day, my name is John Moo and welcome to this week's episode of John Can Fish TV. So, it's extremely windy out there today, so no fishing for me. So what do? Well, I've decided to create a quick video for you guys on how you could make your own glow sinkers. If you got the time and you like making things, there's no better than making them yourself. Okay, so let me show you exactly what you need. Okay, here we go. Pick out your sinkers that you want to turn into glow sinkers. These are just normal sinkers, round sinkers, and I've got a couple of little barrel sinkers. They're size 2, so I use a lot of size 2 sinkers for float lining, for snapper. Okay, so pick out your sinkers, buy one of these. This is by White Knight Glow Safe Paint. Okay, you in Australia you can buy these from Bunnings, but there's a few other stores around. They're not very cheap, but I'm sure you can probably make a ton of glow sinkers, so they end up working out cheaper in the long run, I guess. You can also buy some white paint. Okay, white spray paint, but I'm doing it indoors, so I'm not going to be using this today. So and the white paint is for the undercoat. Okay, so I've got some just water paint. This is Taubman's or Dulux, any brand really, so long as white paint. This is water based. So okay, so let's get started. Actually, what else do you need? You need a paintbrush and a dirty old, probably like fishing rag. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there for now, just in case I make a bit of mess. Alright, so all you need to do is paint. So I'm just going to, I am not a professional painter by any means, so I'm just going to go around and paint all these sinkers. This is just, I don't really want to get my hands dirty, but I may need to. It's just undercoat anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, this is the first coat done. My recommendation is to do 2 coats. So once it dries, you simply come back. See, these some of these are already starting to dry up nicely already, so you can tell. Maybe this is a quick dry paint. But yeah, so some are sort of drying up pretty quickly. If I leave it outside, there's a lot of wind, so it should dry up a lot quicker. I'm going to do 2 coats like this, and then I'm going to come back, and then later we're going to take this outside and we're going to spray it with this White Knight Glow Safe. Just got to make sure that you fully shake this up and give it a spray all on one side, let it dry, turn them around a bit as to the best you can, give it another spray. Okay, I have just painted this second coat. I've just separated them, letting them dry. It's almost dry now, so I'm coming to check out the directions again. So it's simply saying, right, it is essential to shake the can for at least 1 minute after mixing ball rattles to ensure product uniformity. Shake can occasionally during the use. Okay, so simply shake it, mix it all up, all the stuff that's in there. And to me, it did say spray what approximately 15 to 20 centimeters. I noticed that yeah, roughly about that distance. Yeah, it would be about 15-20 centimeters is the best. You don't want to go too close. Okay, so I'm going to shake this up, and then we'll try to put it closer together before, and then I'll spray it. Okay, so I'm going to come around. The wind's going that way, so I'm going to come around this way so I don't breathe it up. Okay. Let's give it a crack. That looks pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to let that dry. That already looks pretty cool. Okay, so once you spray it, that's what it looks like. Nice and green. Check it out. Just speeding up the drying process. Okay, it's been about 7 minutes. I've just come to touch the sinkers and not getting any on my hands, so they kind of dried up. So with that glow paint, so what I'm going to do now, since all that's been sprayed, I'm just going to sort of turn it over like there, where it's all kind of white still. Okay, I'm going to just go like that. I'm going to turn them all over. Benefits of a windy day, hey? It dries real quick. Perfect. All right, you can see that's the reason why you need a double coat. The white paint, it looks nice and bright. I'm going to spray it all over again. Now, I don't think I need to do this for another minute. Hopefully I don't need to. Check where the nozzle is. Right there. And we're going to spray it across. Try not to breathe it up. I like to cake it. Yeah. Okay, I'm in the wardrobe. My sinkers are done. So let's check it out. Have a look at it. The wardrobe is the darkest part of the house. So let's have a look at how these guys turned out. All right, I'm going to turn this light off and we'll see how it looks. Moment of truth. Boom. So as you can see, these sinkers are bright. So they're pretty much just illuminated by just the wardrobe light. You can see how dark it is. If that goes down, boom, crazy bright. If you found this content useful, please subscribe to the channel and support it. Thank you so much.